Hello and welcome to Corn Badge. We're going to quickly solder up the corn totem. So, here's a corn badge, back and forth. Great, sweet. But right now we're looking at this guy. So, you can see there is a dev board right here, and all the three SAOs here, and here, and also a power thing at the end. As we can also see, there's a battery for this, or we can put this onto another SAO. And we have two sides. We have the positive side and the ground side. In the middle, we have all the pins we can put in. So let's get soldering. The most important thing in the LED is to make sure it's facing the right way. So as we do, we can see that I've turned the other side a little bit, and these are bent just a little bit so that they don't fall out. And you take iron. Because of what we're doing here, we're going to have this go back around to this side and install this guy. We haven't put in. We switch it around to the other side. Let's see the little tiny holes where we will add solder. And then we need a connection right here. So we're going to solder these two together in an ugly fashion. So you can see, those are like that. Great. Let's clip them. Now we're going to want to put our SAO over on this side, so we have this guy, so that we can easily put it in and out as we need to. So we just have to align this up. Okay. And we can easily see that is there, so that you can put the prongs right in. That works out great. Finally, we're going to put on the battery pack. You could also just attach this to another SAO. Again, bend the prongs to help keep it in place. Snip the ends. You see our button works. You can see the corn badge works as well. Alright, there you have it. How to have some soldering fun at the Hardware Hacking Village at Kernel Con. Come join us and see you there. Bye.